I almost wasted 6 hours trading today. Stick around. What's up guys, Zach here. This morning we started off with another big drop, followed immediately by a period of consolidation, which always has me on alert because this could very easily be bottoming out right here in the morning and we will see a return to higher pricing. So that had me feeling a little bit cautious as I ate my cinnamon roll and made me want to wait for a few minutes until I saw a setup that I liked. And almost immediately here I saw some indecision on this third green up candle that we see here, and I was seriously considering taking the short, and I really wish I would have, because these first pullbacks like this, even if we are going to see a return to upper pricing like VWAP or higher, is almost always going to be followed by a red bar or two. After a fairly sustained move up, it became pretty clear that we were moving back up towards VWAP and likely towards this 200 level in a bit of a upward bullish channel. And I missed a good opportunity after this bar closed indecisive to take a stab at going long. I thought maybe we would see some more pullback again before we continued higher, but we just kept blasting up. And I missed my best chance of catching the big push up to the 200 level right after this bar finished with a big wick on its top. And I've seen this so many times, I don't know why I hesitated so much to just buy this next candle. I was waiting to buy one of these candles. I knew the big candle was coming, and right after this wick candle we get just a monster green zonker candle that just has no wick on the bottom and just goes right off the open and continues all the way up to the level over a 20-point candle, and I really regret not taking that. After a pullback from that 200 level, I still was feeling bullish that we could see a green candle or two. And after I saw this candle that had seen some support from below the wick of the previous candle, I decided that I was willing to try and buy below the candle. And I made that decision just in the nick of time. Unfortunately for me, I only got filled on 3 out of my 5 contracts per account, which meant that I had just barely over half of my normal position size, but I was able to catch the full 10 points, which is still a great trade. And had I waited for the following 5-minute candle, which sometimes I will do, but I didn't here, I would have made at least another 10 to 15 points on this trade, which was just a phenomenal trade. I was able to get in at almost the exact bottom of that wick. As you can see here, we just continued to sell off and make lower highs from that test of the 200 level, and I just had too much of a bullish bias today because I kept wanting to take these bullish setups, and instead of trading what I was seeing, which was a lot of weakness and selling off the entire rest of the day, and that led me into my last trade.
I'm gonna put some dirt in your eye.
So after I saw this close of this bullish looking candle where ES was just right around its previous low of day, I thought there's a chance we're gonna come up from here. This is finally our moment for our bullish return, and this is something I've done several times where I really need to wait for this second candle after I see a candle like this instead of trying to enter on this, because I get in here and immediately get smacked. In fact, I don't think I could have picked a worse time to go along than I did right here, as this candle and the next 2 or 3 just absolutely plummet down towards these lower levels, new lows of days, and absolutely huge bear spike that goes on here. And again, had I not been so bullishly biased, I likely would not have gotten caught in this trap like I did. But instead, I found myself with the rest of the bulls getting smacked. But the good news is, because I was able to capture my full winning trade earlier in the day, even though I took a full-size loss here, I was able to walk away today on the day green. Of course, I was hoping to catch one more full-size winning trade, and that would have made me very happy with how the day ended. But I still ended up positive on the day, so I'll take that. But thank you for sticking with me, guys, and I will see you all again tomorrow.